Control 4, I'm on scene 4. Control 5, I'm on scene 5. Control 6, I'm on scene 6. Now Control 7, I am on scene 7. In this video, I'm gonna reveal all the secrets I'm using to record my Mac and PC screen to record my tutorials. So let's dive in. If you go to my YouTube channel, you will find a lot of tutorials in video editing and software and other solutions. So how do I record my screen? Because all of these tutorials have screen recordings because I need it to teach you guys about different solutions related to tech and the tutorials I make on YouTube. So I'm using OBS Studio. This is an open source software. You can just go to this one and download for Mac, Windows, Linux and other devices. It's free and a bit complicated. So we are gonna go to the OBS Studio and I'll show you how I can just simply switch between these different scenes like this and this one. My face cam, you saw it was here in the left and right in the center, the whole face revealed, and then I switch back to the scene number 1. So how can I do that and how I record screen? And in the meantime, I'm recording my mobile phone as well, and I screencast my iPhone to OBS Studio. Once you download, just open OBS Studio and here we go. It will look like, oh, this is too much messy, and you will see, oh no, I can't handle that. But it's quite easy once you understand the basic formula. So here I have different scenes like scene number 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm talking here, and 5, and this is the iPhone screen sharing, and in the meantime this is my side-by-side window. If I capture my window and in the meantime I capture my phone screen, then this one is here for both of those things. And if I have to capture another thing, I can simply duplicate this one. Alright, just by staying on this one, I can simply delete this part. Simply just go and remove the screen sharing here, and there is a background, and now this is only phone screen. I can just go do whatever I want to do. I don't need to edit a lot of other stuff, make the frames and bring this one here. So after installation, you will have this interface, and here you can go first of all create one scene number 1. That is my scene number 1, and here in this scene I have a circular cam, as you can see here. After that you can see a blue circle. A blue circle is behind my picture, where you can see. Then I have a screen capture. This is the whole window, 1920 by 1080, and you can go up to 4K. This is my Mac screen. If I go to plus icon here, you can see the Mac screen here. I have this screen capture. For example, I go to Chrome again, and this is what I'm recording right now, and it will show you the Chrome. Then I have my external microphone that is here. Then my Mac audio that is I disable sometime, and if I have to capture some internal audio, then I use this one. And there is Logitech, that is my webcam there. That is I guess 1080p webcam I'm using there, Logitech. It also has a microphone, but I switch it off. If I turn it on, and it will be like a mess, so that's why I'm not using that one. Then on scene number 2, you can see all are similar things, but my face cam shifted from right side to the center of the screen. Similar is the case, I shifted my face cam to the very left side, and now this is scene number 1, 2 and 3. So my cam is moving from one place to another one. In the scene number 4, you can see there is a background picture, then there is a frame of this tab, and then me talking head and my face. So on scene number 5, I have created this one. There is a Mac and I'm talking inside Mac. So you can easily create this scene as well. So you cannot see my screen, you cannot see OBS, but I can see OBS and I can see what I'm just like in front of me all the same. If I go to this one, I can see the same screen, but you will see only this screen with purple and bluish and blackish background, a MacBook and me. Similar is this one. You will not see my screen, but I can see the screen. This is how you can use OBS Studio as a prompter as well. If you are using a prompter, no need to spend a lot of Money on Prompter, and all of these tutorials are on my YouTube channel. You just go to the OBS playlist and you will find all these tutorials. From the basic to advanced, I have guided all of these tutorials there, how you can mount, how can you just like make the voice better. So let's go to the scene number 1. As you see this camera here, and here are my external and internal microphones, and in the microphone setting I also have filters. If I go there, that is the external one, I can just go to filters. These are the filters I applied, and still it's peaking in the red area because right now my microphone is too close to my mouth. If I just place it a little bit backside, then maybe this will not peak to the red area. So there are some expanders, limiters, noise suppression, band, equalizer, and noise gate and gain. So these are the filters I applied here in the scene 2. You can also see these filters, and once you create the filters according to your environment, you can simply copy those filters and paste it to a new window and a new scene. Alright, so you create different scenes. For example, at this place, I'm on scene number 3. Let's say I'm on my YouTube channel and here something is hidden below my camera. Then I can simply press some keys and I can jump to scene number 2, and this place will be visible. If I'm talking about this place, then that will be visible. But now if I'm talking about this place on my screen, then I can simply press Control 3 or Command 3, whatsoever the keys I have set. Then my camera will move to the right side and I can talk about this place. And if I'm talking about this place in my tutorials, then I can simply go back and shift camera here, or I can shift camera here. So these are the places I can keep on moving to different places after this one. And 1, 2, and 3, these are all similar, but only just I move the camera here. If you go to this place at camera left, there is a webcam. If I go to the filters, I have applied one filter here, image mask blend. It made the camera circular. You can see a circular camera. Actually this camera is not circular, but once you choose alpha mask, alpha channel, this will be a circular webcam, no matter you are using a landscape or you're just like using a rectangular or triangle or whatsoever camera, but it will convert it into a circular cam. Similar is the case with this one. If I just double click this one, this is a circle, and I place it behind my webcam so that you see like this little one, that line here that is blinking, and that is the basically circle there I'm using. So after that I lock all these settings so that I cannot move these settings now. Just like sometimes you mistakenly just press this one and it's not gonna affect once you lock these settings. So similar is this one, number 1, I can lock these settings, and same is the case. There are some blue circle in my face webcam, and this one is also same. If I go to my camera filter, and here I have alpha mask, alpha channel, and that is circular, which actually is not circular cam. There is no circular cam, you make it, and I have a dedicated tutorial on that one as well. On scene number 4, I cannot show you because I already have this one. On scene number 4, I just have this one background there, and there is a picture like this one. If I show you, here is the picture. Yeah, this same like this one, I imported a picture there in scene number 4, and on top of that picture I placed another one that is an iPad frame, and then my face cam, and I adjusted this face cam inside this iPad, and in the sides you can see like there is a background, and I do not use screen capture for this one because this is my talking head place. So I don't use, like, even though I have this camera and gears, everything, like, okay, where is this? Everything, but I don't use it because I don't have much space in my room to use the camera and other tools like this one. And on iPhone, I'll show you like how I'm using iPhone. If I move this one to iPhone here, you can see an iPhone, but you can't see my screen. It is same, like I brought something here that is one connected with the cable. If I go back and I show you my iPhone here, like this one, yeah, so my phone is connected connected with a cable, and that is with my MacBook there, and then I mounted that MacBook with the help of OBS, and now I'm able to screencast my phone. I give passcode. Yeah, here you can see side by side window. One is my iPhone, the other one is my MacBook screen recording. So if I want to record my mobile phone, and in the meantime if I want to record my PC screen or Mac screen, then I can do that. I can also bring my face cam here. That is my face cam, and I can bring it at the top like this one. Yeah, so I can bring this one as well. If there is any place, make it smaller or bigger, whatever I need. So this one is my one window that will capture my MacBook screen, and this one is my mobile window that will capture my mobile screen, and if I shift to this one I will capture only my mobile screen. So these are the scenes. Now let's get back to the actual trick whatever I'm using, because you have to shift to these different scenes while recording your screen, and that is much more important. So many people were talking about it that they cannot shift between like one scene, 2 and 3 and 4, maybe like you have created 10 different scenes. So how can you do that? You can basically go to your setting, and in the setting of OBS Studio you just go to hotkeys. Once you are on the hotkeys, here you see scene number 1, and here is scene number 1, scene 2, scene 2, and here is scene 3, scene 3, and 4, 5, 6, and how many scenes I have. So first of all I have these keys like control and shift to start recording, and then again the same key to stop recording. Then I have pause and unpause recording with the help of command and control button, and then I have control 1 for scene 1, control 2 for scene 2, control 3 for scene 3, and control 4 and 5 and 6 for scenes 5 and 6. And then I have this one, camera left, there is iPhone scene. Yeah, iPhone scene 2 is here. I can assign a simply command or control 7 key. So if I press command 7 I will shift to that one. Now let's go back, and here we are on the scene 1 and the hotkey is control 1. Now I can go to number 2, control 2, I'm on the scene 2, control 3, I'm on the scene 3, control 4, I'm on scene 4, control 5, I'm on scene 5, control 6, and I'm on scene 6. Now control 7 and I am on scene 7. Now control 1 again, then it is alright. So if these keys are not working, you just need to go your setting, and here you can go to privacy and security, and here you can go to input monitoring, and here you can allow OBS Studio if that is not working, and it will sometime go black screen and it will not show anything if you don't allow. In the meantime you just go to accessibility and allow OBS Studio here, and here input monitoring. These both settings are necessary, and in the meantime you can just go to screen and system audio setting, and here you can allow OBS to use audio, and in the file and folder section you can give access to OBS Studio so that you will easily capture this screen record and there will be no problem in the hotkeys as well. So this is how guys I record my screens and jump to different scenes, and today I changed the background. Normally I was using like a Sonoma in the background of this picture. So that's it. If you want to learn, then just go check out my playlist, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll bring a lot of new stuff in the future as well, and liking this video is completely free. Bye.